Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the location services section on your account on TikTok easy and quickly. So first of all, enter TikTok, then click here on this profile section and then go to these three lines and go to the settings and then go to the privacy. So here we have this location services, click on it. So as you see here we have this permission settings. So while using, continue. So we will use your device location to improve posts you see and ads experience while you use TikTok. So here we have never. Also here you can delete certain location data. So that's it, and that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.